So may isa tayong ayan, hindi na buo. Ayan. So one down. So far everything is good except to sa isa. So yun, what is up mga kamanok, buka ng adlaw. Alright, so gabi na ngayon pala. Okay, so for today's vlog, 18th day ng ating first ng ating trial hatch. So we will be doing candling of our incubated eggs on their 18th day. Then eventually, if all is well, then we will transfer them to our hatcher, and yun, after 3 days fully meron na tayong hats. Alright, so let's go guys, tara samahan niyo ako. Hopefully okay lahat ito, no? Ayan, so far all good. This one, ayan, good sila so far. Ayan, nakikita nyo may gumagalaw. Yun, kita nyo. Ayan, o. Yan. So far good ito. Yan o. Hopefully yan, maging okay yung ating hatch. So this is our trial batch. Yan. So far, despite ng ilang beses nag brown out, okay to. So ilalagay natin to sa may sa may basket. Ilalagay lang natin sa may pot. So may kailangan lang akong i-check dito kasi kailangan kong ma-monitor. May isa-separate tayo. Okay. Okay, this is all good. Okay, so we're down to these 2 trays. So may isa tayong ayan, hindi na buo. Ayan. So one down. So far everything is good except to sa isa. Ayan. So yun, blood ring, hindi siya nabuo. Okay. So we'll get this one. Ayan siya. Ayan, hindi yan nabuo. Alright, last one. So, ayan, dalawa. So far, dalawa yung hindi natuloy. Ayan na, nakita nyo na yan, may gumagalaw. itsura ng 18 days na incubated eggs. So buo na yan. Yan o. Nice. We are hopeful na mapisa lahat ito. Ayan. Okay, so tatlo. Ayan, hindi yan nabuo. Okay. Alright. So goods tayo. Tatlo lang yung hindi natuloy. Meron lang tayong inspect dito na ibang variety. So 100 yung capacity ng isang tray na to. So 100. So all in all, meron tayong 100 plus hatchable eggs. So meron tayong dalawa. Ayun. So, pinawisan tayong konti. Alright, so we have a total of 129 eggs na sinalang natin from setter to hatcher. So, we only have 3 na hindi nagtuloy. So, tatlo lang. So, which is a good sign, no? So, well, we'll just wait for another 3 days for them to see our first trial hatch. Alright, so that's it lang muna guys. This is Pong once again of Butnes Bugana Farm. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.